So, what's the full meaning of JAMB?
Joint Matriculation Board.
Viewers, let's watch this video.
I'm poor.
You're poor?
Yes.
Wow. What's happening today?
Today is our matriculation day. We are celebrating our day. We are celebrating our day, like our day to university.
Oh, okay. You're welcome, bro. Congratulations.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, so there's this exam you write before you get admission to this school, right? Yeah. What's the name of the exam?
JAMB.
JAMB, baby. Spell JAMB.
JAMB.
Okay, JAMB. Okay, so what's the full meaning of JAMB?
Joint Matriculation Board. Joint Matriculation Board.
Joint Matriculation Board.
Wait, if you fry your hair, you fry your sense.
Which department are you?
Theatre Art.
Theatre Art.
Yes.
Wow. So what do you have to tell your fellow 100 level?
I wish them good luck, long life and prosperity, more life, more education, more life. Celebrate your day. Today is all about them.
Congratulations, bro.